Hello guys, this is Dr. Deependra Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, yesterday night I got a question from a guy who was studying in Kazakhstan. So, what happened that he wanted to come for postgraduate to Russia. What happened with him that lot of consultant in Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, they don't update to their student that their degree, which is 5 years, is not valid in Russia if they want to come for PG, because for that they need to finish minimum 6 years of the education, as well as if they didn't clear the MCI and they didn't finish their internship, they cannot get postgraduate seat in any European Union country or in Russia, because they always consider minimum 6 year medical education. So if you are taking admission somewhere where the medical education is 5 years, you have to understand that you cannot continue postgraduate without your internship. Okay, so that guy was quite confused. He messaged me in the night and quite he was misguided by his consultant. Okay, so I hope that this information is useful for you. So if anyone who want to take admission out of India, okay, the NEET result came out and you guys understand that you will get the seat in India or not. So if anyone who want to study their medical education out of India, make sure that, especially who is studying in Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan for 5 years, they have to do internship in India. Then only they can study in postgraduate colleges in Europe or in Russia. Otherwise they don't have any option. So choose the college with this update. Once again, in summary, I am telling you, if you are going for 5-year MBBS in Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan or any such countries, you cannot get admission in postgraduate university in Europe or in Russia without your internship. Okay, so before taking admission, please check that. Okay, for more update about medical career counseling, you can always reach to us. My number is 860-1616 and 555. Have a great day and I wish you good luck for your counseling. Thank you.